Question 1. Find the discriminant and determine the type of roots for each of the following quadratic equations. Okay, so discriminant is b square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant. Okay, so how to determine the type of roots? There are three scenarios. One is if b square minus 4ac less than 0, b square minus 4ac equal to 0, b square minus 4ac more than 0. So if it's less than 0, the type of roots will be no real roots. So you will get imaginary roots lah. Okay, but you just have to remember there are no real roots. If it's equal to 0, it will be two equal roots. That means if this is your curve, you will get two equal roots. That means your x is, let's say, 2. So our equation will be x minus 2, x minus 2. So your roots will be 2, x is 2. So you get two equal roots lah. Okay, if b square minus 4ac more than 0, that means your equation will look something like this. You will get two distinct roots. Distinct means different, so you get two different roots. Let's say one is 3, one more is 5. Okay, here your graph will look something like this. So it will not intersect the x-axis. Therefore, there are no real roots. Okay. So this one you have to remember. Now let's look at the question. A. So our A is 1, B is 4, C is 1. So B square minus 4AC will equal to 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 1. So this will be 16 minus 4. Okay, you want to do in your calculator so can. So 4 square minus 4. 12. So this 12 is more than 0. Since b square minus 4ac is more than 0, we can say this will give us two distinct real roots. This will be our answer. Okay, let's look at B. So b x square, so we try to expand this first, equals to 8x minus 16, and we bring all these to one side. X square minus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. Then you can factorize this. Actually no need factorize. We are finding discriminant. So b square minus 4ac will equal to negative 8 square minus 4. A will be 1, C will be 16. Negative 8 square minus 4 times 1 times 16. We get 0. So if b square minus 4ac is 0, that means we will get two equal roots. Done. Next question. C. A, B, C are given. So b square minus 4ac will be 4 square minus 4, 5, 6. We get negative 104. This is lesser than 0. So if less than 0 means we get two imaginary, no need to write imaginary roots, you say no real roots. Later the imaginary roots part you will learn in college. Okay, done. Or let me just show you. So here when let's say we factorize this, right? Okay, 5, 4 and 6. Yeah, you see this, when we factorize, our roots has -1. When you get negative negative I and I, the I represents imaginary roots. So whenever you factorize and you get I, right, that means these are imaginary roots. Imaginary. I don't know how to spell. Okay, but anyway, yeah. So here you get no real roots. Okay. So that's one more way you can check. You factorize using your calculator. Whenever you get I, you know there are no real roots. Okay, let's look at the next one. A, B and C are given. So B square minus 4AC. 7 square minus 4AC. 109. So this is more than 0. So if b square minus 4ac more than 0, we get two distinct roots. Done. Let's look at the last two. E. A, B and C are given. So b square minus 4ac is 10 square minus 4 times -1, -25. Put this in the calculator. 10 square minus 4 times -1. Sorry, -25. We get 0. So if b square minus 4ac is 0, two equal roots. Lastly, here we have to expand. So we get 2x squared plus 6x minus x minus 3 is 0. Simplify, 6x minus x will be 5x. Then we do b square minus 4ac. 5 square minus 4ac. We get 49, which is more than 0. So if more than 0, we will get two distinct real roots. Okay, that means two different real roots, because here when b square minus 4ac, the graph will cut the x-axis. So these are real roots lah. Imaginary roots means will look something like this, where the graph doesn't cut the x-axis. This is imaginary roots. Okay, done. That's it.